1 win, 2 draws, and 2 defeats. Their last match, it is a 1-0 defeat at the hands of Stellenbosch. Then Orlando Pirates, who are the visiting team, are currently at number 2. They've played 12 matches. They've got 28 points. Recent form coming to this match, it is 1 draw and 4 wins. Last result in the league, it was a 2-0 win over Durban City. Orlando Pirates are technically the most informed team in the country, but find themselves second due to games in hand. Sekhukhune United started 2026 poorly with a 1-0 loss to Stellenbosch, conceded to their former star player, Tsofatso Mabasa, who was on loan, and are desperate to stay in the top 4.